Good morning, everyone. We are at a new baseball stadium in Texas, Arlington, Texas. Who plays here?
The Texas Rangers.
The Texas Rangers. So, a new park. We had to cross this street, though. We parked in Lot M. Are you excited to go to the new stadium? And look what Carson's rocking his Don't Go on the Road and Get Hit Tampa Bay Rays jersey.
Yeah, because they're playing against it.
And your Minecraft jersey, it matches.
What matches?
Your Minecraft matches your sweatshirt.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so we'll see you. We got, look, Six Flags over there.
And we've seen the
Are you excited for the game?
We've seen the Minecraft movie on Tuesday.
I can't wait. And you're going to say chicken jockey?
Yeah, I'm going to say chicken jockey.
Camden, are you excited for the Rangers game?
Yeah.
Yeah? And look, we're almost there. This stadium's right there, guys.
Yeah.
The Globe Life Field.
It's like this.
Well, there is a stadium. There's another baseball stadium right there.
Yeah.
But I think they built that stadium and then they're like, wait, we're in Texas. It's 110 degrees in the summer. What are we doing? So they built this one with a roof. So it's kind of cool in the front of the stadium here. All these restaurants that you can check out.
Wow,
Yeah, like check out the architecture. Like it looks so cool. Oh yeah, here's the play area. Oh, fun. All right, they have a playground and it's until the 4th inning, a home run derby, and then free play at the 5th inning. So you're gonna try to hit a home run here?
Yeah. Oh, maybe.
You think you're gonna hit a home run? Good try, Carson. Woo! Oh! You got it, Carson.
Collection of Game-used autograph-based authenticated memorabilia. They have our World Series championship, autographed baseball bats, game-used and authenticated baseball.
Home run!
And what happened with that ball?
So watch out and watch your head. Oh my god. Oh, Carter, you keep going closer to the pitcher. Yeah. One more. Good job. It's Ice Cream Sunday, which means dollar ice cream bars, guys. Isn't that cool? Okay, what did you get? Captain Ranger?
Rangers captain.
That is cool.
I want to get that.
Woo! I'm surprised there's like no one here. And it's like the first Sunday, one of the first Sunday games of the season. Yeah, it's like dead.
And on the mound for the Rangers, number 80,
Woo! Carter.
Whose broad stripes and bright stars
now cheer, Camden, too. Woo! Yell, Camden. Woo! Clap. Carter, yell. Say, okay, show me. Scream. Woo! Shirt, stand up, show us. That is so cool. So I decided to get ballpark nachos with cheese and chili. You want to try it? Oh, you're having walking tacos?
Yeah, but I didn't get any jalapenos.
No, I don't like jalapenos. I don't like spicy stuff. And the kids are over in this like playground thing here. It's all free play now, so they're burning off some energy.
And then Cooper's exploring.
Yeah, Cooper's exploring the stadium. So maybe I'll actually ask Cooper may take a couple of videos for us so we can put it in here, okay?
Hey guys, I am exploring around the stadium and I am going on the elevator up to the top level right now. Okay, I am on the fourth floor right now walking around the stadium and yeah, it's a cloudy day out, but the rest of the week it's going to be sunny out. Now I am going down the escalator. Which level are you going to? 2, 3, or 4? Are you going to 4?
Hit 3 for me too, bud.
Okay.
Thank you.
For experience, all for the world champions. Visit GlobeLifeField.com.
Okay, I'm gonna go to 4 with you. The same.
Sounds good.
The pitch to the heart of the order for Tampa Bay in the 6th inning. So Kamar Rocker, a fine start.
Thank you. Okay, now I am at level, which is
Oh yeah. Woo! Oh my God. Woo! Are you gonna dance for the 7th inning stretch?
Yeah, you know what boys that do at my school? They clap under the table and go.
Everyone to sing along.
My first ever 7th inning stretch in Texas.
That's
Cracker Jacks.
our first game in Texas.
The ball game, take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if they ever get back for its root. Root for the Mariners. If they don't win, it's a shame. Even though they're not playing. 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
Let's go, Mariners!
Dance. Dance, do the Step over there so I can actually see you. Dance. Okay, it is the top of the ninth, tied 3-3 right now. Hoping we don't go to extra innings because we're going to run around the bases. We can't run around the bases if it's tied. We'll go to extra innings. It's a good view right here. Bottom of the ninth, he's walking it off. Oh, nope, so close. So close. Can't go home yet. Sorry. All right, Jake Chickenburger is going to try to hit one now. Okay, we're not going home tonight. Womp womp. Boring. Oh. Drop. Woo! Holy crap, he's fast. We got Jonah Hyde now. That guy just got a double. 2 outs. Bottom of the ninth. Oh, is it on fire? That's cool. Hello. Whoa! Woo! I don't know why I'm cheering. I don't like the Rangers. The Mariners. Woo! Let's go, Carson! It was a walk-off win for the Rangers, which is bad for the Mariners, but a win's a win. And now we can go run the bases. Are you gonna watch the bases? You're gonna run the bases? I feel like it might be a walk the bases with all these people. Oh look, we're about to go under into the field right here. Cooper, are you gonna run the base?
Yes, I'm gonna go. I wonder if I'll make the big screen.
I'm gonna
Maybe.
be like Sonic.
Sonic fast?
I wanna be Shadow fast. Shadow fast and then Sonic.
You're gonna walk onto the field. How cool is that? Looks a lot bigger from down here, huh? When we get to the bases, you'll run. The kids get to go run, and hopefully we catch them. The grass, it feels like a turf. It is turf. It's not real, it's fake. How was it?
Good.
That's pretty cool that you're on the field, huh? He's way up there.
He's right here. He's right here.
How was it, Cooper?
Good, I'm on the Rangers field.
How was your first Texas Rangers baseball game?
It was so much fun.
Beautiful.
I think that's my favorite stadium.
Loved it.
It's so beautiful.
Hold on. What?
And we finished.
Hold on, Carter. What?
Hi, Vinny. Today I went to a Rangers game and at the Rangers game I explored around the stadium and now we have a surprise for all of us.
Carson, what do you want to say?
I didn't like the Rangers stadium, but the Rangers won and I wanted the Rays to win.
Boo! You want to say anything, Carter?
Yeah, sure. But I got this. The game was good.
It was a good game?
And this one firework.
Yeah.
And
Alright guys, well thanks for watching our trip to Globe Life Park. We have a video at Angels Stadium as well and several Mariners games. Now we're going to get a surprise.
Yeah, I think it's great. We'll plug in Texas.
That video should be uploaded. We'll see what it is. If you have any ideas what it is, comment below what your guess is with this big surprise. Big old surprise.